you really love farmhouse decor, right now I'll show you how to make a decor for your kitchen, your garden and patio in a very simple way. So let's go! The materials we need today: it's a plastic bucket from a Dollar Tree, finish coating, preferably mate or satin, white paint, decorative rope, scissors or palette knife, glue gun, brushes I like from IKEA, printing on water slide decal paper, and sandpaper. Of course, my favorite assistant York is Sonia, and now she's making a little spoiler for my next project made from natural materials. Write your guesses in the comments. Here I'm just using sandpaper to get the paint on the plastic better. The next step, I start to move the paintbrush from top to bottom to make strokes. Then I painted the inside edges and bottom. At this printout in a Photoshop, mirrored the image and printed on a water slide decal paper. The next one, I simply apply the printout soaked in a glass of water, pull off the top layer of paper and voila, you're done! I try to make scuffs on a layer of paint. I should say, it's a fun job to make a little scratches. Next layer, it's a final coating. Here I'm making pot handles with a hot glue gun and decorative rope. Then I use hot gun to glue these two edges of the pot. Start gluing the edge of the pot with the rope using a hot gun, twisting around in 4 layers. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and subscribe.